Uploading an HTML template to Mailchimp allows you to design the emails. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns tab from the dashboard. Create a new campaign. Click Create Campaign and choose Email to start a new campaign. Select a template. When prompted to select a template, choose Code Your Own and then Paste in Code. Upload HTML code. You'll be directed to the email designer with a code editor. Here, paste your HTML code directly into the editor. Ensure HTML is clean and properly formatted. Test your template. After pasting the HTML code, use the Preview and Test option to check how your email looks. Send test emails to yourself or use Mailchimp's preview features to see how it renders across different devices. Save and continue. Once satisfied with the preview, click Save and close to finalize your template. You can then use it for your campaigns.